Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a critical part of selling on Amazon, understanding and calculating fees. To help you navigate this, we're showcasing two essential functions from Asinzen Insight: Get My FBA Fees and Get My FBM Fees. These tools make it easy to break down and analyze the fees for both fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by merchant methods. Let's start with Get My FBA Fee. This function gives you a detailed breakdown of all fees tied to using Amazon's fulfillment services. You'll see components like the fulfillment fee, storage fee, referral fee, and other FBA charges. To use this function directly in a cell, all you need is the ASIN, the sell price, and the Amazon Marketplace. Simply type Get My FBA Fee, followed by the Marketplace in quotes, the ASIN in quotes, and the sell price. Hit Enter, and the function will calculate and display a clear breakdown of the fees. Next, let's take a look at Get My FBM Fees. This function focuses on the costs associated with fulfilling orders yourself. Key fees include the referral fee and any applicable closing fees. The formula is just as straightforward. Type Get My FBM Fees, followed by the Marketplace, ASIN, and sell price. Now, if you're handling multiple ASIN or need greater flexibility, the Function Builder is your go-to tool. It allows you to manage bulk calculation and customize the data you retrieve. To access it, go to Extensions, then click Asinzen Insight, and then Function Builder. You'll find Get My FBA Fees and Get My FBM Fees under the FBA Calculator and FBM Calculator sections, respectively. Start by selecting the cells with your ASIN. Here's where the real power of the Function Builder shines. You can fully customize the data you want to retrieve with intuitive drag and drop functionality, as well as options to select or deselect specific fields. You can focus on the exact details you need, saving time, reducing clutter, and keeping your sheet perfectly organized. Once you've configured your settings, click the Get My FBA Fees or Get My FBM Fees button to calculate the fees for all selected ASINs. By using Asinzen Insights, Get My FBA Fees, and Get My FBM Fees functions, you'll gain a clear understanding of the costs involved in selling on Amazon. This insight enables more accurate profit calculations and smarter business decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips and tutorials.